No, I'm keeping this for sure. Do not let me own this, okay? This is gonna flood our whole house, isn't it?
Make sure Loki
I see an F-E. I see the Epiphone sign. I see that. Alright, yeah.
Make sure Loki doesn't need that.
Do you think Loki can jump that?
I customized the table so that it looks like an Epiphone on top of the logo.
Now this is a guitar. Which one is it, Daddy? I'm a little scared. Okay, can you like pause the video so I can wash my hands, please? Oh, you got it. So how do I open? This from LA? I'm never trusting you again.
Now turn the other side. What?
Ooh, that looks nice.
Wipe your hands.
Yeah. Owner's manual. Who needs an owner's manual for a guitar?
That is the guarantee card. Okay.
Oh my god, I have a Les Paul.
What's this? This is owner's manual.
Okay. Oh, it feels good. Oh, yes. Daddy, look at that. Look at that. Okay, that's too attitude.
Let's get a good look at the guitar. Take that hand off for a moment and let me just take. Yes,
Yeah.
His guitar.
Yeah.
That's Kristyen's first Les Paul,
Yes.
and this is his mine.
Yes. Oh, that is amazing. And I love the black. You're right. That looks really nice.
I've seen your progress, darling. You've been at it and you've been persistent in, playing the electric guitar.
I see.
I like your commitment, so this is your reward.
I love the shape. I love Les Pauls. And Slash.